So these last few days for crypto have been awesome. ADA price has been doing extremely well right now. On the 7-day, it is actually up 3% at 25.5 cents right now. And I've seen some comments talking about how ADA price is in fact only up this 2 cents. Oh yeah, it hasn't moved very far. This is nothing, blah, blah, blah. Don't be so short-sighted, okay? You have to think about the broader ramifications of what these moves in fact are. This potential now for spot Bitcoin ETF approvals to be coming faster, the higher likelihood that the SEC is in fact going to lose against Ripple in their case. I mean, there is a lot of positivity that is beginning to flow into the space. And while, yes, these short-term moves, a couple cents over the course of a few days doesn't seem like much, but it is the starting point for those bigger moves that we do get in the bull market cycle. Don't focus in on a couple days here. Okay, guys, do not get me wrong. We're still in a bear market. We still haven't gotten that bull market confirmation. We are not going to explode at these times. Any asset that right now is going on a huge rally outside of correlation with BTC is likely going to have a big retracement. We're still at this time right now where money is matriculating around the space. Again, we flowed between $1 trillion to $1.2 trillion. And it flows in a circle at this point. Now we're starting to see some of those early signs of capital outside the space flowing in, which is a great sign. This is where this is all going to begin. This is how that bull market cycle starts. And especially at a time now that we're going to be getting into mass adoption and actual use of like the Cardano DeFi ecosystem. This is a great thing. And I want to remind people something. Okay, when it comes to ADA itself, right now we are actually following the early days, well, Cardano and ADA, we're following the early days of what Ethereum did, all right? Ethereum got to $125 billion market cap in, 2 bull markets ago. We got $500 billion market cap last market cycle, okay? We also are following what Ethereum did in terms, well, I can't think this morning. We were following what Ethereum did in terms of TVL. Now that the Cardano DeFi ecosystem is in fact coming online, this is a huge growth phase for Cardano and ADA. Again, this is where you can see that big adoption helping push price higher easier. I mean, just the simple demand of the use of the Cardano DeFi ecosystem is going to be big for ADA price. So there are great things happening. Don't focus on just this short-sighted, oh, we've only pumped 2 cents over the course of this last few days. Guys, there are bigger things coming than what we've seen right now. BTC is still sitting just below 30K. We haven't had that major catalyst to push us forward. Now, if this continues through the weekend, if BTC stays strong, we see more liquidations, sure, we can begin this move. And that's where you might see a broader move in terms of the price of ADA. Be happy in the fact that ADA has shown such great strength and support at these levels. There was always the likelihood that we could have broken down, moved below here, but ADA has shown great support. People have shown their long-term vision when it comes to ADA and Cardano, and it's a reason why we've been as strong as we have been during this bear market cycle. So again, think long-term. Unless you were planning on selling ADA anytime soon, right now, the price really doesn't matter. There are better times ahead. Times again where there's big capital flowing in, big adoption happening, and that's where Cardano and ADA can thrive. So I appreciate you guys. Appreciate you guys as always. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below, but hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.